So, flashlight. We got another flashlight from the guys over at Wuben. Now, I can't remember exactly which flashlight it is. You guys know because it's in the title. Anyways, it came in a big old box. Now, this is not the box you'll get by any means. So I'm going to take a quick look at what this is. Then we'll look at their website. Then we'll come back and unbox it. And we'll end up going out tonight when it gets dark and seeing how bright it is. Yes? Yes. Okay, so yeah, this is, they told me they were sending like a promo box. Okay, promo box. Watch this be like a tiny flashlight. Okay, so number one, I don't know what this is. That's huge. But I'm guessing, like, this is the X3, they call it. This is the X3. So I'm just taking all the stuff out of here. That is a big box. A big box. And the case is, the case is lovely. You guys see the case? That's a lovely case. So first off, what is this? This is the X3. That just showed up here. X3. Light okay, X3 pre-sale. I want to see it. So this is probably what you would normally just get, is kind of these pieces here. So that's the little X3. So it shows you here, new, right? $81.99 limited time discount. That's all right. So my guess like this is like its charging case would be my guess. Plus you can use it while it's in here because that opens. Yes. Yes. I think you can get, for one, you can get it in this. They call it white, but really it's clear. Black with, yeah, a charging box. They call it a charging box because normally I think it comes with this. You see that right there? That little piece. But if you get like what I got here, you get the charging box. Does it show it? Charging box. Come on now. You can do it. I believe in you. Closing that up. This, right? That's the charging box. So you take this piece, and I'm guessing it only fits in one way, maybe. Yep. So you'll see there's a little clamp on here. So the clamp goes toward the back and you're just gonna slide that in. And then you could probably just use it like this, or you could put that down, or you could, whatever you wanted, I'm guessing. Yes? And then this just plugs in, you'll see a little USB right there. It does say, look, it has a little, I guess that's just your charging indicator would be my guess. How does this even open? Oh, I see. So there you go. There's your USB-C on there. Okay, I'm down. I don't even know if this has any power left in it. Little notches. That's where I guess this can go. Now, what I do like about this is what's cool, and they've done this on some of their other lights. Ready? This is the amazement. It is the USB-C cable. So you have on this, if you need it, USB-C to USB-C, and this can be for charging, and it's the handle. So just make sure these kind of go in the right way. Boom. I think that's like the smartest thing, right? So this can be on the charging case, yes, right there, which is probably what you would do. Or maybe, can you charge this all by its lonesome? No. So it doesn't have like a holder if you're just doing this. It just has the actual little piece that you would slide in. But that's, see how tiny that is? Like that's wee little. Wee little. It says expected delivery by August. And if you get it with the case, like what I have, $110. Okay. Does it give you any kind of specs on this to tell you like how much awesomeness it is? Because I do like this. Oh, it's got a rotating head. I'm learning as I look, right? So this, oh, sweet deal. Depending on what you need. So now you got it front facing. Yes. You can have it more traditional. And again, when it's in the case, I'm wondering when it's in the case, yeah, you could spin it so it's this way. Now, see, I got it on. Right now, you got a little diffuser. And you got a little digital display at the top. And you got a button. So if I tap that, on, off, I'm with you. If I hold it, yeah, see, so there you got like, it actually says how many lumens it is, like 50 lumens. Off again, okay, hold it. 150 lumens. Click and hold. 1 lumen. And again, that's with the diffuser. So if you take the diffuser off, this is like, again, you can see it maybe right there. See how it says 150, 150, and then back to 1. And then tap to off. I'm wondering now if you like double tap it or anything. Holy sweet God. Jeez, 700 lumens. Right in the eyes. And that's double tap. Back to 1. Yeah, double tap just boosts you right up there. Okay, what about 1, 2, 3? Does 3 do anything? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3 gives you like a strobe. Blinded. Completely blinded. And again, you have the diffuser. Yes? And then you take this out. I can't see for crap right now. Nope, can't see at all. Okay, take this out. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but I just hit a button on my display. But this opens, plug. Do you get a little light? Oh yeah, you get a little, you guys see there, a little charging light and a little battery light right there. That's cool. And I'm guessing, my guess is, I'm not 100% sure. My guess is that, yeah, this maybe, what is that? Oh, it glows in the dark. What? I wonder if that's a specific one that you can get. Because that's kind of funky. Okay, it says 100 plus days of battery life, portable charging box, innovative charging lanyard, which I like. 2 different LEDs, depending on what you want. And you got your 3 normal brightnesses, your burn out your retina brightness. Yeah. Like a charging and an SOS. 180 degree rotatable head. Sweet deal. Yup. Oh yeah, see, so it says it's a 3000 milliamp power bank. Well, that's all right. That's cool. I like that. I don't know 100% if they all glow, because I'm just thinking, like, you may need a specific one, maybe that glows, maybe. Maybe I'm wrong, right? White, because I can't see them all. Like, this is blue. Is that gonna? Well, maybe it glows. I'm curious now. When I go out tonight, we'll see. We'll see if it glows. All right, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna wait for it to get dark, and we'll go and check this out because that's cool. Oh yeah, just before you go, see, shows you your battery indicator right there. Right, I'm at 80% charge. Sweet. I'll let that charge for a bit, and I might as well get it up to 100, and we'll go outside and see how bright it is. All right. I hope you guys can see me okay. A few things before maybe I'll stand by that light. That'll be better. Before I go talking about or showing this, few things. I read online only the white one, like the clear one that I have, is or can glow. So just be aware. The case that I got, I don't think it's designed necessarily for this because it's just an open case. So you could probably use it with headphones or whatever. It doesn't really matter. But this is cool. I like this little case. So we can, as you notice, single. That's with the diffuser on. Yes. And we'll kind of go over here a little bit more, so it's a little darker. Not like crazy dark, but it's dark enough. One, I don't know what you'd probably use it for just into the house, or if you were camping, it'd be kind of cool just to have it out, like just giving you like ambient light, I would think, you know. Okay, so that's number 1. And then you hold, and then that goes up to, what is that, 50? Yeah, 50. That's definitely brighter, right? You guys can see it now. Yes, that's with the diffuser on. And then we go to 150. 150 is actually all right. And then if you double click, we go to 700. Now 700 is good, but that's with the diffuser on. So let's take the diffuser off. And maybe you can see the glow happening inside, you know. I'll pull it out a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see the glowing right there, which is kind of cool. Anyways, so now we have, that's the 150, and it's definitely brighter. You guys can see that it kind of has a bit of a spot, right? And then if you crank it up to the 700, it's definitely not the brightest light we've tested, but I think if you were to take this camping or whatever, plus it has like the charging case, that would be pretty cool, actually. And like I said, you can take that, and the diffuser actually diffuses it a lot and spreads out the light. You could use this for doing videos while you're camping. Just kind of set it off to the side. You'd be kind of good to go. All right, guys, I'll leave links to this. I think they said it comes out in like August. So, you know, if you think it's a good price for what it is, use the link. Go check it out. All right, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you guys next video. Later.